What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a high protein shake without any protein powder. I feel like in today's day and age, it's pretty hard to find protein shakes or protein powder with high amounts of protein without protein powder. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do that strawberry banana flavored. It's one of my favorite protein shakes or protein smoothies, and I'd have it all the time. Pre-workout, post-workout is one of my favorite protein shakes to have of all time. Now, mind you, I do have to mention that in this protein shake or protein powder, the carb content is high because this is more towards bulking. If you're looking to bulk with high protein, this is it because the carb content is high. If you guys want to see a protein shake or a protein powder with high protein and low carbs without protein powder, smash that like button, and I'll release that as well. I'll make that one for you guys as well. But this one is made for bulking. If you're looking to bulk, this is the right video for you guys. So let's get down to it. And if you guys don't mind, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We talk about calories, nutrition, and fitness on this channel. So if you guys are interested in that, smash that like button. You guys will love the content. By the way, all macros and calories are rounded to the nearest tenth. So the ingredients for this protein shake or protein smoothie is a 250 milliliters of whole milk, 150 grams of strawberry Greek yogurt, 1 banana, 150 grams of frozen strawberries, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now we're going to pour all this into a blender, and the first ingredient that we're going to pour in is the 250 milliliters of whole milk, which has 8 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fat, and a total of 150 calories. The second ingredient that we're going to put in is the 150 grams of strawberry Greek yogurt, which has 13 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fats, total of 150 calories. Then we're going to put the 1 banana, which has 1 gram of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber, total of 100 calories. Then we're going to move on to the 150 grams of frozen strawberries, which has 2 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and a total of 60 calories. Lastly, we're going to put the 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, which has 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, and 8 grams of fat, total of 100 calories. And then after that, guys, you just blend it up. Now the benefits here of this protein powder or protein shake is the fact that it's high in calcium because you're using a lot of dairy products. And when you're not using protein powder, the second thing you guys can lean towards to is Greek yogurt. And Greek yogurt has a lot of calcium and protein, so you can get that source from there. Milk obviously has its own protein as well, so that helps out a lot. This protein smoothie or protein shake also has a lot of antioxidants. Strawberries has one of the highest antioxidants fruits out there, so it's very healthy for you and very necessary for your body to fight off bacteria, viruses, all that kind of stuff. Not to mention the vitamin C that you're going to be getting, as well as the vitamin D, again, from that dairy. Obviously with the banana, you're going to be getting a lot of potassium, and you're going to be getting a lot of healthy fatty acids from the tablespoon of peanut butter, and that's necessary because your body does not produce any of these healthy essential fats. So that's very, very important. So overall, guys, the total calories here is 560, and the macros that you're going to be getting here is 28 grams of protein, 69 grams of carbs, 19 grams of fats, and 8 grams of fiber. Now again, this is for bulking, and that's why the carbs are high. If you guys want me to make a high protein shake, high protein smoothie with no protein powder and low carbs, smash that like button and I'll come back with one. A delicious one. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys will try it out, because this is actually one of my favorites. I have this maybe 3 times a week. It's just delicious. I love it. Tasty smoothie, and it really takes away all those bad cravings that you get from chocolate or sweets, all that stuff. So it really does a great job in that. But try it, guys. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Like this video, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace.